Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Hey Siri, call Caroline. Hey girl, I just finished my run. You wanna grab dinner?
Hey James.
Hey.
Lindsay called. You ready to go?
Yeah, give me a sec.
Air conditioners only allow you to set a temperature, but many other factors affect your comfort. Humidity, weather, sunlight, and even your daily metabolic cycle. AmbiClimate solves these problems by revolutionizing the usage paradigm of air conditioners. Just tell us if you're hot, cold, or comfortable, and our award-winning AI solution will automatically adjust your air conditioner to improve your comfort and help you save energy. And it's not just your comfort that we care about. With AmbiClimate, you can even manage the comfort of your children and pets better. AmbiClimate works with almost any remote-controlled air conditioner and is a breeze to set up.
According to ASHRAE, thermal comfort depends on many different factors. AmbiClimate's built-in sensors measure temperature, humidity, and sunlight. We combine these with online weather data to build a comprehensive profile of your personal comfort. The result? We dynamically manage your AC for better comfort and virtually eliminate overheating and overcooling, saving you up to 30% of your AC energy consumption.
We have spent countless hours developing AmbiClimate, enlisting the support of not just our team, but also thousands of users who have helped us refine our system. We have taken on board feedback generated from the Kickstarter community and used this to iterate our design.
The new AmbiClimate combines warmth and purity into a smaller volume. We've eliminated clutter from the housing and used wood for the base to make it feel more domestic. The result is a more streamlined device that would fit in really well at home and at work.
The core of our system, our AI engine, is mature and robust, building on the insights gained from millions of data points from users in 40 countries across the globe.
We have successfully completed pilot production for our new AmbiClimate design and are set to ship our first units by the end of June. We have also partnered with distributors in many countries across the globe who provide first-class, on-the-ground support for our users. Back us now to enjoy AmbiClimate comfort this summer.